There is nothing quite like coming home. And I have to say that when I arrived and saw the beautiful blooms on our tree and spring's first blush, it just made me so happy. And so today I wanted to bring some of those branches inside and just to set them on our dining room table and enjoy them. It's really nice when you can bring the outdoors in, especially if you have things that bloom around your property or your home. It just is wonderful, something that you don't even have to spend money on. So I find that during the winter months, I tend to kind of leave my rhythms behind. And maybe that is what has contributed so much to me feeling out of balance. And I'm on a journey to get back on track with all of my routines and my rhythms and just everything that brings me peace and calm and joy. So with these first signs of spring, I'm definitely energized. Some are energized by the fall, by the winter, summer. I am definitely most energized when spring comes, or those first signs of spring. So that is how I've been feeling. Not to mention that when we came home, it wasn't like everything was a disaster, but over the past couple of days, things have really gotten out of hand because on our way home, my husband and I started to feel sick. And so we have been battling a cold for the past couple of days, but today I was feeling especially energized. And you know, when you've had one of those days where you're in bed, you really don't feel like doing anything or moving. The moment that you get energy, it's like you want to take care of everything, handle all the things, and get your life back on track. So I really needed to do a complete reset of my home, I felt. Things that were let go of in the time that we were away. And so much can be let go of even in a couple of weeks' time. And so the truth of the matter is, nobody is going to care about your home the way that you do. And I wrote about this in my book, The Lady of the House Handbook, and just the importance of your role in your home and what kind of things you do, no one can do like you. And, you know, the more I went from room to room, taking care of all of the tasks that needed my attention, it just made me really appreciate what it is that I do and what I offer for my household and for the space that I call my own, because I have the ability to truly make it a warm, inviting, comfortable space, not only for myself, but for those around me. And the home felt so different once I got everything back in order, once I started a crock pot meal, and just feeling like I'm getting back into the swing of things. So for a while now, I've just felt at a loss of so many things, of what I want to do with my time, what I want to do with my channel, what I want to do just in so many different areas. And I find that when I don't have those routines or that one goal, that thing that I'm working toward that, I know will make a big difference for me, I just have those feelings of feeling lost. And so I think that it's just important to not only stay on track with, my routines and my rhythms, but also to have a clear goal in mind. And so within the past couple of weeks, I've really taken some time to figure out, what is that next goal that I have? What is that thing that I'm trying to achieve and work toward? because it makes all the difference. And so after much journaling and reflection, I found that one thing. And I'd encourage you, if you have those feelings of just feeling lost, feeling down, to find that one thing that you can work on and work toward that goal that you might have, and start taking those necessary steps to reach that goal. And I guarantee you that it will make all the difference. Now, of course, I don't want to leave you before sharing a few clips from our vacation that we enjoyed so much. The best part, though, I will have to say, was surprising our friends on the ship. That was just a once-in-a-lifetime opportunity, and it went so well, I can't even explain it. So I guess I will show it to you.
Because I tan doesn't mean I don't burn. I was a lifeguard for many years. Like 80 pounds ago.
Used to be easier to put sunscreen on?
Yeah, 'cause I asked somebody to do it.
Oh.
My guy friends.
Your guy friends.
And then they go like this.
That is so weird.
You're good.
You're good. You just get a handprint on the back.
It would be kind of weird.
Streaky.
When your bros did it.